All right, so I'm going to do my best to talk quickly in this video so that it's not too long. Installing the Nova Stretch is very simple, as I just stated in the previous video. All you have to do is remove like 8 screws, 2 here, the one on the outside here, which is a T15. Now you can take this apart with the T15 tip, put it in the drill, or you can use one of these kits. I have the largest T40 down to a T9. Comes in very handy. Here are 2 of the torque screws that I've taken out so far. So you're going to take this one out, which is the furthest one on this side. You're going to take this one out, which is the furthest on this side. So you open your hood, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to take that 4th one out on the left side, come back to the center, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to take the 4th one out on the right side. You'll take these 2 out, you replace them with the screws that come with the Nova Stretch. Okay, there'll be some hardware in here. My Nova Stretch came with a nice koozie, a sticker that I'm probably going to put in my engine bay, and I can't remember what else. Okay, so the other thing that you're going to do is, down by the tires, you're going to remove 3 of the torque screws. You're going to remove 3 on the driver's side. You're going to remove 3 on the passenger side, and you're going to replace them with the screws that come with the kit. So that's going to be a total of 8 screws that you'll replace. Everything will be in the kit. Once you replace those screws, all you have to do is simply snap the Nova Stretch on to the front of your vehicle. Make sure that it's tucked underneath. You're good to go. You won't have to worry about any bugs in the front of your vehicle until you pull it off. Now, this is machine washable, so if it gets dirty, it's got a whole bunch of bugs on there, you can take it off, toss it in the machine, follow the instructions that it gives you regarding washing, and you're good to go. This is not supposed to scratch your vehicle's finish, so it's a pretty good investment. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the pack so you can see how it looks. The material is nice, soft, and stretchy. Okay, here's the hardware that's included. I have my screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. So whatever you do, try not to lose any. All right, they have this little Velcro piece right here with double-sided tape. You can put this on the bottom of your front spoiler, and that's what you'll use to snap this into place. Now, if I'm wrong, I'll let you know that I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what you're supposed to do. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these screws removed and swapped out. Then I'm going to install the Nova Stretch, back the vehicle up a little bit so you can get a little bit better angle of it. You see, I got my fan going. It's hot, but I want to do this and get this done and have it on the vehicle. All right, stay tuned. I figured I would give you guys a cold start since my vehicle has been sitting for about 24 hours, but it's like 90 degrees. I know I've said that several times, but it feels good. I love the heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this girl up, let you hear how she sounds. Stock NPP system. right, so I've got all of my 8 screws replaced. I took out the factory torque screws. I put in the hardware that came with the Nova Stretch. So now I'm going to take the Nova Stretch and go ahead and put it on. Simple to do, very simple. Here we go. Okay, so as I stated earlier in my video, this Velcro piece, let me get in the sun. This small piece right here will go underneath your front spoiler. All right, so you'll take this double-sided tape, you'll peel it off, you reach back and you'll find a spot where it can stick to it, and then this is what you will attach the very bottom of that Nova Stretch piece to underneath your car. That way you won't have to worry about the stretch material wanting to pull to the front. It shouldn't do that anyway. Right now I just have it snapped to the screws and it's maintaining its place. Have it attached to the screws right here on the passenger side. As you can see, it's sitting below the spoiler. I'll take this and I'll put this back there somewhere and attach this Velcro to the piece that comes on the Nova Stretch. All in all, it gives it a nice clean look. I love how it looks. I'm going to close the hood. Look at that. That's awesome. I like that a lot. Now, of course, you know I'm going to take some photos and add that to this video. I guess that'll be tomorrow morning. I'll take some photos and add it to this video, and it'll also be on my Instagram channel, so make sure you check that out too. Visit my Instagram page. It should be 6GNSS1LE. That's going to be the number 6THSS. No, I'm sorry. The number 6THGENSS1LE. I'll put that in this video. All right. So you guys make sure stop by, show the Instagram page some love. and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna straighten up the tires, and it's a wrap. Thanks for checking out the video. Stay tuned.